5 years ago, next to Tanvu Bridge, Lac Huyen, Kathai district, an uninhabited swampland, no factories, no infrastructure, no electricity or water. Within just 21 months, it was converted into a state-of-the-art manufacturing complex with world-class scale. We are VinFast, a miracle of modern Vietnam, a record within the world automotive industry, making the impossible possible.
Quá nhiều sự hoài nghi hay thậm chí là cười nhạo khi chúng tôi bắt đầu.
VinFast's incredible journey is inspired by the bold ambition to build a Vietnamese brand of international standing. Hearts, mind, and spirits of thousands of people pushing the boundaries of possibility. Thousands of people were working continuously day and night to build a factory and install the production line, as well as both design and construct on a fast-track model and develop and manufacture vehicles.
Chúng tôi đã chiến đấu trong 21 tháng để có được sự tự hào tột cùng.
On June 14, 2019, VinFast's world-class state-of-the-art automobile manufacturing complex was officially inaugurated. In just 18 months, VinFast has broken through to become one of the best-selling and most loved ICE car manufacturers in Vietnam with all three models: Fadil, Lux A, and Lux SA leading the segment. The factory boasts up to 90% automation and serves as a launchpad for VinFast to usher in the era of electric vehicles. The press shop spans an area of 50,000 meters square and is 100% automated with Schuler's advanced technology from Germany. The body shop spans an area of 100,000 meters square, is 98% automated, and is equipped with about 1,200 ABB robots from Switzerland, ensuring utmost quality on each VinFast car. The paint shop spans an area of 25,000 meters square with the latest, most cutting-edge German automation technology in a robot system from Dur. The engine shop uses cutting-edge technology of the finest quality, a high level of automation and a closed production process to ensure product quality. The general assembly shop spans an area of 200,000 meters squares and features a highly automated line designed and supplied by Eisenman from Germany, which creates flawless vehicles. The battery pack shop, which is a typical example of VinFast's all-electric strategy and commitment to driving the global EV revolution. VinFast also established a supplier park, which takes up roughly 30% of the complex area, together with the world's leading partners, to raise the localization rate of VinFast EVs to 70 to 75%. With a capacity of 250,000 cars per year and the ability to scale up to 950,000 vehicles per year by 2025. This will be the starting point for millions of smart EVs, providing worldwide customers with a safe and exciting driving experience. VinFast, boundless together.